Hello beautiful people, I hope so you are fine. As we know that when we create the React app, it takes a lot of time while creation time, and when we start the project it also takes more time. In this video we will find that can we reduce the time consumption in creating React app or starting our React server. We find out another method in which we can increase the speed of creation in the React app, and whenever we will start our app, it will not take too much time now. So we will add the timer in this video, and we will see that how much time we can save while creating the React app. So let's get started. We will create first our React app with using create React app in this area. So let's open this window in our VS Code. We will add a timer also so that we can watch how much time it takes to create a new React app and start it. So let's create our command. Npx create React app app1. So we have started our timer. So guys, you have seen that it took approximately 6 minutes to creating a new new React project from the create React app command. So we will just check out that how much time it will take to start our new React app. So we will just run the command npm run start, and we just start the timer also. So guys, this project has been started and it took 3 minutes and 19 seconds to start this project, so which is quite slow and quite delayed process. So now we will try our new method, and we will see that our new method is how much faster than it. So guys, for creating our new app in with a new and fast version, so we have to type npm create Vite at latest. So let's see how much time it will take. We will select the JavaScript here as it is our choice. Oh my gosh, it took just 20 seconds, approximately 20 seconds to create our new app. But it is not fully created. We have to install the packages, so we have to install the packages also. uh, let's start our timer again. Cd uh, so this is installing right now, and let's see how much time it will take, because our create React app take up to 6 minutes to create our new project. So let's see how much time it will take. So it is installing the dependencies. So it is about to install. Great. It took approximately 1 minute and 34 seconds to create full-fledged new React app with the help of the Vite, which is really impressive because create React app took approximately 6 minutes and it took just 1 minute and 30 second, which is really impressive, I consider. So we have test number 2, in which we will see that how much time it will take to start, and let's get started with it. So we will go in this directory, we are already there, and we will run a command for running our this app. So it will be npm run dev, and let's see how much time it will take. That's really impressive because our create app react app took more than 3 minutes, but our white app has been started in just 25 seconds. So if we open this app, so we can see that our react app is created how quickly, and if we want to change something here, so we can change also. So we will go in our app.js, we have this here, and it supports fast reloading also. Let's add it to our text, hello world, as we add. So see, it's quickly updating. I hope so you like the video and you can try this method to make your development faster. Thank you.